Welcome to GED Math in 30 Days. I'm here today to say thank you. I just checked my email and it said you have 200 subscribers. Now, I know there's many other websites that have way more subscribers than me, and that's all right. 5,000, 10,000, but guess what? Small steps make progress. So I'm already at 200 subscribers and already helped over 40 people pass their GED math exam in a little over 6 weeks, using my ebook and using my videos. So again, thank you very much. And I'm feeling so appreciative today that I'm giving out GED Ready vouchers. Matter of fact, I'm feeling so appreciative, I'm giving out exam vouchers. So, but I need you to do 5 simple things. I need you to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, and then visit my website, passgedmath.com. And on any blog post, I want you to enter a positive comment, and you'll be entered for a drawing to receive a GED Ready voucher or a GED exam. Again, 5 simple things. Follow me on Twitter, follow me on Instagram, like my Facebook page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and finally, enter a positive comment on one of my blog posts at my website, passgedmath.com. Thank you.